Hello, friends. I'm back with my point of view. We have been talking about paying compliments, and I have said it's always good to praise. Whenever you get a chance, you should pay compliments, you should appreciate, and you should let the person know that you like something about that. Today, I will say something related to this. I have noticed in all these years that we do have a very open mind as far as outsiders are concerned, and we do lavish praises on them. However, in our families, when we talk about people, we pay a lot of attention while praising our children, our daughter, son, maybe son in law. However, when it comes to the daughter in law, very few people praise the daughter in law. And I wonder if they praise her on her face. This is something which I realized while discussing and thinking about this topic of paying compliments. I have met very many people, lots of people, and I have met lots of families. They have very good daughters in law, but I have not heard anyone praising their daughter in law. If something is negative, sometimes it does come out. She sleeps too much or she goes out too much, which is okay. I'm not talking about that. Now, I'm only mentioning I want you all to please pay compliments to your daughter-in-law. This is a very funny concept, that people have sort of decided in their minds that this is not just required. I will tell you a few things of my own life experience. Friends, last year in August, it was my birthday, and we all know that due to the COVID-19, there was no plan for a large celebration or a party. However, I received lots and lots of phone calls from my friends and well-wishers. And during this, one friend asked me, so how are things and what's happening and things. So I said, oh, everything is good, I'm happy, and my daughter-in-law prepared breakfast for me, and I'm so special and I feel so good. And while I'm just talking in between, she says, why, you have a full-time maid? Why did, she implied, why did your daughter-in-law have to do it? So I was quite amazed, I was stunned. I said, the concept that my daughter-in-law on my birthday has prepared special breakfast for me is not going down well, because this is a concept which doesn't exist in a lot of people. Now, this happens, and I want all of them, all the people who have this notion, to change this notion, and they all have to praise their daughter-in-law. I will talk to you about another incident of my own life, which several years back, or 30 years back, when I used to travel with my school-going children and husband to Chandigarh to meet my mother-in-law who lived there. And before the trip was planned and before we left, I used to go around in the markets and go around and buy beautiful printed sarees, because I knew she loved printed cotton sarees. And we used to collect all the things and we used to travel to Chandigarh. And while being there, I realized that when she had visitors, whether they were relatives or neighbors, she used to sit very proudly and tell them, my son has got me beautiful sarees, and he has got me almonds, and he's got me gifts and things. To tell you the truth, friends, at that time it didn't really occur to me, nor did I feel offended as a daughter-in-law. But now when I sit and think about it, it's always the son who is praised. Anything that comes from your son's family is always because of your son, not your daughter-in-law. So this is a concept which I want to tell you. It will make things somewhat easy if we realize the truth and if we speak the truth. The relationship with a daughter-in-law, no matter how long she has been married, is a very delicate one. And along with being delicate, it has an automatic barrier. And this barrier has to be broken, it has to be penetrated through. And the best way to do it is that we should praise her. Praise her on her face. Praise her in front of your friends and relatives. It's very important. She will value you more, she will become closer to you, and in the long run, you are the one who's going to benefit and feel good about it. Now, some of you will say, well, we don't have sons and we don't have daughters-in-law and things. So I will only tell you this, that I'm sure you have friends, you have relatives, you have neighbors who have sons and daughters-in-law, and you can very well praise them. And I'm sure that when you praise them, your brother's daughter-in-law or someone's, you will find that they also start coming close to you. They like you. They welcome you more heartily. I'm not saying it for any selfish purpose of yours, but because these relationships should be sweet, they should be mature, and they should be fruitful. So friends, this is what I wanted to say. This is a way I think, and I am sure all of you also think the same way, but now take steps to let this happen. Pay compliments generously to the daughters-in-law. Thank you.